This free tutorial will be showing you how to be using Telegram cloud storage online completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Alright, to use Telegram as cloud storage, there's a couple ways that you can do this. You can upload a video file, a photo, by going down to the bottom left hand screen under the channel you have just created. But if you don't know how to create a channel, then go to the top left hand screen and click this next to search, and you want to click the second option, new channel. In this case, you can choose to make the channel name whatever you would like. You can even add in a description and a profile picture, and you can even choose to make this a public or a private channel, and this will generate an invite link, and click save, and then click skip or click add, and now you've successfully created a Telegram channel. So again, if you go to the bottom left hand screen or the paperclip icon, you can drag a photo or a video, a document. You can even create a poll, or you can pin a location. In this case, I'm dragging a video clip on the screen. As you can see, you can add a caption. You can even add an emoji if you would like, and you can even choose to send the video directly if you want. And same thing with all of these other options. You can add a document file. In this case, we're adding a .text or a notepad file, and you now have this under Telegram. If you want to pin this or quick access, you basically can right click and click the third option, pin, which is above show in folder and below edit, and it says, would you like to pin this message? So now we have an option on the top hand screen of our channel that a video has successfully been pinned. You can do the same thing with your text, and I believe you can pin 3 at the same time, or the max, and now you can click the top right hand screen, and these are the 2 pinned messages on your Telegram channel, online free storage completely for free.